So now we're going to check the forage of the banyan tree here in Singapore. Claude, to get to the forage, we need to ride elevator.
Yes, I think.
Grabe, no? Parang yung salamin tong elevator niya. Nice, ha? We're going to an expensive restaurant. Oh, lamig, ha? Forage. Let's see nga how expensive this place is. Yung view, maganda. View. Huh? Oh, nice. Oh, wow. Backlighted lang. I'm backlighted. But it's nice. Oh, ito pala yung mga three houses. So, it takes 60,000 pesos a night to stay overnight in those three houses. Wow. Kamahal naman. Every tree house has a view overlooking the swamp.
Maganda ito pag sunset.
Oh, tama. Sunset would be the
I've
best.
seen this during sunset in the photos.
O, paano? How do we go?
Actually, parang we can go, kasi yan,
Ah?
view. Pero
View.
sa baba, we can see it.
Wala, ganda pala rito. This is the best part. That's why it's most expensive. Okay, ganda pala rito. It's private for the guy staying in the tree house. Really nice. Oh, Claudine is already there taking photos. Ganda nga naman. Look at this view. Mga tree houses. Claude, why didn't you book yourself a tree house?
Yeah.
You can afford it. Di ba? Uy, ilang tree house ano? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ang dami pala, tree houses. Ha?
So nice.
Ang ganda.
So nice.
Maganda dito talaga kung dito ka magsa-sunset.
Photo ba kami ni Papa dito? Maganda
Look
dito
at this.
mag-sunset, Papa.
Yeah. Nakita ni Mama Berna, maganda nga naman talaga. Look at those trees, oh. Wow. Tapos mga ibon. You can hear the birds. So, anong pangalan uli ng to? Claude? Monday? Manday. Oh, galing. Gorgeous. Gorgeous photo. Sige, I'll take your photo also while John is taking your photo. Ganun ka. Ganun. Yes, ganyan. No? Yeah. You're like a buntis model. Okay. One more.
Wait lang.
The buntis modeling. Nice. Okay, one more. Yan. Okay. Nice. Okay, gorgeous shot.
May picture kami ni Papa.
Ha?
Tayo.
Kayong dalawa, kunan ko muna kayo.
Tayong dalawa muna.
Ha?
Diyan ka na eh.
Hindi, kayo muna. Nagbibideo ko eh.
Sige.
Yeah,
Enjoy
sige.
your view, Papa.
Okay. Kayong tayong dalawa. Yan, no? Meron pa palang mas magandang sa taas.
Can you
Oh.
frame it for
If
Papa?
you... Kunan ko muna kayo with my camera. Okay, kunan ko muna kayo. And then I'll take your iPhone.
Okay.
Wow. Okay. All right. Ganda, oh. Okay. Ito, maganda ito. May video at saka photo, eh. Smile. Okay, smile. Ganda. One more, ha. Whole body. Okay, yung iPhone hindi nakakapag-video and photo at the same time, eh. Okay, smile.